Now, a dashing gentleman. Marian used to bring dolls and flashcards to school. Now, she can prepare outstanding video presentations. Señorita Mika y Señorita Kate, ahora pueden hablar y entiendes y español. Alisa developed into an excellent leader and incredibly intelligent young lady. While Zach, RJ, Jeros, and Enzo are now heartthrobs. Aside from her wit and her charm, Milka is now a responsible and artistic leader. And of course, my son Migs, he is smarter, taller, and definitely mas pogi kaysa sa akin. Time flies, especially when we are having fun. But the problem is, as it flies, we tend to be forgetful. Here's an example. Do you still remember what you ate this morning for breakfast? I am sure that I will hear a resounding yes. And I'm also sure that you could describe in particularity what you ate for breakfast. Perhaps the crispy bacons, the juicy hot dogs, the succulent morsels of tapa, or the heaping, steaming fried rice. After all, a few hours have passed. Another question. Do you still remember what you wore last Thursday? Can I see some hands? Maybe you can recall, but not quite as fast and as vividly, right? White shirt, maroon jacket, faded jeans, or floral dress. This is because a week has passed. Last question. Do you still remember the first person you talked to exactly 1 year ago? At this very moment. Can anybody recollect from their memory? Was it your father? Or your mommy? Pretty tough, right? This is because 1 year has passed. However, if I were to ask you, what are your fondest memories in JASAMS? What are the things that you cannot forget? Many of us, myself included, could enumerate a lot of detailed events that took place within these offices of this very same campus. Like, who was my first seatmate? What was the color of my first bag? Who was my teacher? When did I celebrate my first birthday in school? When were our first field trip? Or how did I feel when I received my first exchange gift? You see, memory performance is usually related to the active functioning of 3 stages happening inside our brain. These 3 stages are encoding, storage, and retrieval. I will not bore you with an in-depth analysis of these 3 aspects because I'm sure your science teachers already did a good job. but allow me to concentrate